Hello everyone. How are you all? Hope you all good. Welcome to the daily current affairs. Mukesh Sharma, who is a professor in IIT Kanpur, is appointed as an honorary member of World Health Organization Global Air Pollution and Health Technical Advisory Group. Here, WHO Director General is Tedros Adhanom, and it is headquartered at Geneva, Switzerland. Next one. Germany and Australia signed a bilateral alliance on hydrogen production and trade to facilitate a renewable energy based hydrogen supply chain. This production is to boost the lower emissions technology. And the Australia PM is Scott Morrison and the capital is Canberra. Germany president is Frank Walter Steinmeier and the capital is Berlin. Next one. Now Israel will become the world's first mask-free country, and it is announced by the Health Minister Yuli Edelstein. Recently, we have seen the new Prime Minister of Israel is Naftali Bennett, and the capital is Jerusalem, and the currency is Israel Sheikh. Next one, NHPC, National Hydroelectric Power Corporation, signed an agreement with Bihar State Hydroelectric Power Corporation to set up a 130 megawatt Dagmara hydroelectricity project in Bihar. This project will bring all-round progress and development in the state. And the agreement is signed in the presence of Union Power Minister R.K. Singh. The Bihar governor is Pagu Chauhan and the CM is Nitish Kumar. Next one. BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange, is signed an MOU with Electronics and Computer Software Export Promotion Council to encourage small and medium enterprises and startup listings. This MOU is to bring the awareness on listing of the companies. Next one. Ports, Shipping and Waterways Ministry and the Civil Aviation Ministry have signed an MOU for developing seaplane services. Here, the Civil Aviation Ministry is under Hardeep Singh Puri, and the Ministry of Shipping and Shipping, Ports and Waterways Ministry is under the Manshuk L. Mandavia. Next one. The Shakti Ministry has increased the central grant to Andhra Pradesh state under the Jal Jeevan Mission for Har Ghar Jal to rupees 3182.88 crores, which is approximately 3183 crores. Here till now, Goa, Telangana, Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Puducherry are the states which is fully achieved of Har Ghar Jal mission. And the Jal Shakti ministry is under Gajendra Singh Shekhawat. And the constituency of Gajendra Singh Shekhawat is Jodhpur. Next one. Raja Prabha, a 3-day festival womanhood is being celebrated across Odisha. And another festival which is famous in Odisha is Durga Puja. CM of Odisha is Naveen Patnaik and the governor is Ganeshi Lal. Next one. RBI allows prepaid mobile recharges through Bharat Bill Payment System BBPS, which is under National Payments Corporation of India NPCI. The head of NPCI is Dilip Asbe and the governor of RBI is Shaktikant Das. Here, BSE Bombay Stock Exchange. The head of the Bombay Stock Exchange is Ajay Tyagi. Next one. The first commercial consignment of GI tag Jardalu mangoes was exported from Bihar to UK. GI means geographical index. It is a tag which is given for the specially things, fruits or the food items. Next one. IIT Ropar has developed a device called Jeevan Vayu, which can be used as a substitute for CPAP machine. Here CPAP means continuous positive air pressure. Here this Jeevan Vayu is used with both the oxygen cylinders and the pipelines which is used in the hospitals. This is the first developed by the IIT Ropar, which runs without the help of electricity. Recently we have seen IIT Ropar has also developed the AmbiTag, which tells the ambient temperature in its surroundings. Next one. LIC Cards Services Limited joined hands with IDBI Bank to launch contactless prepaid gift card Shegun on RuPay platform. Here, the owner of RuPay is NPCI, National Payments Corporation of India, and the IDBI full form is Industrial Development Bank of India. CEO of IDBI is Rakesh Sharma, and which is headquartered at Mumbai. Here, Shegun gift card is a contactless transaction which can be used as a contactless transaction up to rupees 5000, and we can deposit the money up to 10,000 rupees in it. Next one. Numi Paris, an eyewear brand, announced actor Atiya Shetty and cricketer KL Rahul as their brand ambassadors. Yesterday we have also seen the MyLab, which is a biotechnology company, has announced Akshay Kumar as an brand ambassador to its company. It is up. It told Akshay Kumar as a brand ambassador after it launched the CoviSelf, which is a self antigen test for COVID-19, which can be done in our home by ourselves. Called the kit called CoviSelf. Next one. Ministry of Education released the All India Survey of Higher Education Report 2019-20, in which it says the number of institutes of national importance has increased from 75 to 135 in 2020, and the number of PhDs was also increased by 60% in the last 5 years. And this data is calculated in the last 5 years, which is from 2015 to 2020. In this, Uttar Pradesh has the highest student enrollment rate. Next one. Here, Education Ministry is under Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank, and the constituency of Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank is Haridwar. Next one. India ranks 6th 7th place globally as per Croatia Global Skills Report 2021. Next one. Vinu Mankad was among the 10 players included in the special edition list of International Cricket Council Hall of Fame. Next one. Cristiano Ronaldo becomes an all-time Euro top scorer with 11 goals. He beats previous mark of 9 goals, which is set by the France Michael Platini. And the Portugal captain Cristiano Ronaldo, they set a record against the Hungary. Thank you everyone. Stay safe, stay strong.